The cord is a 2-wire, 18-gauge cord. It comes with crimped ends pre-installed. Power cords tend to receive lots of abuse. The cord can be cut, nicked, internally damaged, or have the prongs broken off. A damaged cord should be immediately replaced to avoid an electric shock. Replacing the cord is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear housing. Now I can remove the old cord from the switch. The cord wires are secured with small Allen screws. I'll use an Allen wrench to loosen them. I'll remove the cord protector from the old cord. I'll install the cord protector onto the new cord and reconnect the wires. First the white, and then the black. Now place the motor housing and switch assembly back into the lower half of the handle housing. I'll make sure all the wires are tucked out of the way so nothing gets pinched when we reinstall the other half of the housing. And now I can reinstall the housing. And that's how easy it is to install a new cord on your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.